In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your air cleaner filter for a 2014 Mazda 6. But pretty much, it's common throughout all the cars. You'll have the engine, you'll have an intake, and that pipe should lead you to where the air filter will be. Depending on your car and the model, you may have one or two, and if there's two of them, they'll be on opposite ends of the vehicle. So you'll find some spring clamps in here that you push off. You will then most likely have tabs on the other side, so you'll pull it towards yourself and up. That should pretty much show you the air filter. The back side of the air filter is clean. However, the portion that's underneath is the part that we are interested in looking at to see if this air filter is clogged or not. And lo and behold, you can see the color difference. You have white. There's some dirt starting to come through, but look at the other side. It is pretty much filthy. It's filled with stuff in here, which prevents, as you can see, it's pretty much plugged, which prevents air to flow through. And you can see the clean filter inside. You can see air light popping through. So it's about time that we change this air filter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the new one back in again. So here is the new filter that we purchased for this car. It's a felt type material, and we are using the EcoGuard brand. I looked around and Wix was twice the price. That's the one that I prefer. However, I didn't want to spend all that. This is a fairly decent looking filter, especially being felt, so it'll breathe as good as the OEM at least. So we're just going to go ahead and use that same style of filter. So that's it. So you can see the inside of the compartment is pretty clean. If there was debris in there, I'd vacuum it out. However, we're good to go. We're just going to go ahead and drop this in. When installing the new the cover back in, you want to make sure you get the tabs through here first, and then you want to get those clips in the front. That's basically it. It's as simple as this. So good thing on this car, there's only one air filter. So let me get the lid back on, and then that's basically it. So that's basically it. I've got the cover back installed. You want to make sure that this thing will sit in, and then tabs are extremely easy to pop in. If they're not going on, it means that the cover has not set in properly. So you just want to make sure that you get the proper grooves. The cover should fall into place, and then that's basically it. So hopefully this would help you change out the air filter in your vehicle. If you got any questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for watching.